This recipe makes 4 servings, with each one coming in at around 350 calories, light, flavorful, and totally satisfying. Want to switch it up a little bit? You can easily swap in ground chicken instead of turkey, and feel free to toss in extras like mushrooms or spinach. This dish is super flexible. Best part, you can prepare it and have it on the table in 30 minutes or less. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious and healthy meals. Be sure to check out my other videos for more inspiration. You'll find a quick recipe summary in the description below for easy reference. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.